Hey, what's up everyone? This is Cowboy B from Jet Perfomance. Just wanted to show you the easy solution that we came up with for the strap for the GoPro. So it's simply just a Velcro strap that braces it at the bottom. So when it's on you, you only get about that much movement, which the stabilization takes care of. But without this, you get a lot of movement on rougher water, like out in the ocean. So we want everybody to enjoy their product. So all you have to do is strap this around there, here, and here. And this is gonna be free. And you're gonna see some of the footage that we put out, the before and after, just to make it better, because this can't be rigid to be Coast Guard certified. That's why you don't see a lot of vests with the GoPro mount on there, because if we make this rigid and put the hardware through the foam and you end up hitting the handlebars, flying over, and this impels your chest, can't have that happen. It has to be able to rip off easily upon impact. And you lower the chances of getting impaled, you won't have any problem with that. So we want to keep everything safe, and we'll keep coming up with better mounts, better products for a newer version. I got some ideas where this strap won't be needed, and we'll still be able to meet certifications for everybody. So enjoy the video. It's been Cowboy B. Peace.
One more time. She don't need no money. On it,